21-inch carry-on from them, and I'm super excited. This item does go out of stock pretty fast, so I had to pre-order and I got it in. So this is how the box comes. It's pretty big. I love how it has the logo at the top, and then when you open the box up, it says we've all got baggage, glad is BEIS. And here is my 21-inch carry-on. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. So it comes in this nice like protective plastic, which is really good. From top to bottom, this is it. A full 360. On this side, it does include a lock, which is very super cute. And it actually does include a name tag holder as well. The carry-on, the details, carry-on size luggage for packing light, 360 wheels for making smooth moves, and cushion handle for security line stress relief. BEIS travel. And this is the beginning. I'm gonna open this up and let you guys see the inside. One more 360 before I go. As I'm unboxing and opening this bad boy up, I do see we have one of the zippers that allows more space. So, you know, we are packing heavy some days. It allows some room, which is super cute. The bag features 3 handles, one here, which is the extend one. It does go up pretty high. There's one here if you like to hold it this way. And then there's also one on the side as well here, if you like to hold it this way. So soon as we open it up, this is what we see. The cutest little booklet ready to roll. And then on this side, we do have a featured strap here. It goes all the way around. So you open it this way. There's a pocket here with the zipper as well. Oh, this is super cute. There's a pocket here. And I believe there's some stuff in here. Let's check it out. This is super cute. It comes with its own laundry bag. And then a not basic bag. This is super cute if you want to put your dirty laundry, your makeup. You know, us as ladies, we do sometimes have little dainty things that we need little bags for. So this is super cute. Those came in there. After we unzip this, we'll open this up. There's a lot of space in here. And then it does feature a zipper here that opens up. You can see here. And I love this because usually I'll put my clean clothes at the bottom. And then I'll zip the bad boy up and I'll have whatever I wore or any dirty clothes at the top. So that's what we have going for the left side. For the right side, let's check it out. So, we do have 2 straps here. Let's unbuckle these. These are super cute. If you have anything that you would like to hold down. Uh-oh, hold on. Give me one moment. Okay. A nice little cute booklet. Just telling a little bit about the testing, warranty, some cute pictures. I do plan on getting the matching weekender bag as well. So we open this up, we did the buckles. There's a zipper here. It goes all the way around and opens up. And this is like a spring material, so you know it is stretchy, it is flexible. You have something that you can put in here, you can. You open this up. There is a pocket on this side featuring a mesh material. You can see through whatever you put in here, you decide to put in here. And then there also is a little baggie on this side as well. You can unzip there, you know, if you have some earrings or anything of that sort, you can throw those in there. There's another zipper in here, opens up, adds the same thing on this side. And let's just close everything back up. I love it. I love the colors, everything I thought of it'll be. I love how it comes with these bags. Super cute how it comes with the name tag. I love it. I do plan on getting another bag. Let's talk a little bit about the hardware. It is hard. It's a nice hardware. It has the logo here embedded in it. And then, you know, it does look really good. It is stable. Nice material, 360 wheels. I do enjoy the bag.